Here's how you can enable performance mode or smart app launch. And this is a feature found on your Moto G phone that doesn't really improve the overall performance of your phone, but simply help launch apps faster. I'll show you where to go to find it and how it actually works. To find this feature, the best way is using the quick access and tapping on the settings icon right here. Now, once you're in this area here, you can always go down past all of this here to where it says system right there. And once you're in the system area here, you want to go past all this and you're going to see performance. Now, I'll tell you use the search option and type in performance, but it doesn't always show you this feature here. So you'll have to go and find it yourself just in case. Now, once you're here, you'll see that it is going to be off by default. So make sure you go ahead and turn it on. And basically what this does, it's going to have this sort of learning pattern in which how you use certain apps, and based on how you use them, it is going to adjust and then eventually load them a lot faster than how they used to load before it learned how you actually use your apps. So this is basically going to improve the overall speed as to how fast certain apps will launch eventually in the long run. So you want to leave it on and then eventually you'll notice the difference. And of course, if you don't like it, then just turn it off. Like and sub.